and we love and like. Ain't no way to do it wrong when the love is right. All the way on it, yeah, the love so real. You got me and I got you. Tell me how I feel.
What's good, LK family, man? It's your boy Ken. Today, man, we're back with another freaking video, man. Y'all saw that title, y'all saw that beautiful thumbnail, man. So right now I have to hurry up because right now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be pranking the girl, Miss G, man. I'm about to be going ahead and basically acting like I cut my finger or ripped my hand off in the garbage disposal once I'm doing the dishes. Y'all already know what's gonna go down, bro. I got fake blood in the bathroom that I'm gonna get out. Let me show you. Got the fake blood right now. Lena, I gotta hurry up because Lena is in Ocean room. On the monitor, you can hear her. She's changing mamas right now. So you already know what's gonna go down. But your boy King gotta do this prank. I'm about to sit the camera down. I'm about to sit it down like I'm washing dishes, like I'm vlogging for my channel, TRK Squad. And I'm about to be acting like I'm vlogging for that channel, but I'm not. I'm about to sit the camera down, act like I'm washing dishes, just talking to the camera. And then boom, I'm gonna cut garbage disposal on it down. All blood gonna be everywhere. And I wanna see how Lena react, bro. I'm about to get her freak out, bro. Y'all know what's going on, man. 2023 is my year. Y'all heard, no, that's snap, bro. Let's go ahead and get us channel to 200K, please. Y'all like the video up, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell. I'm talking so fast because I gotta hurry up. So let's go ahead and get straight to it.
What the?
Alright, you guys. So TRK Squad is what I'm on today right now. Doing a little house, little routine and stuff, cleaning up a little bit. I'm about to do the dishes, wipe down a few little things. Y'all know how they go down. Laying in the back right now, she changing up, but she, quick little vibes and stuff, man. Make sure everything's organized though, but y'all comment down below, man. Y'all let me know how y'all be feeling, how y'all feeling. You know what I'm saying? So right now what I'm gonna basically be doing, I'm about to be washing these dishes, getting right with you. Do Ocean need a bottle with milk? Do Ocean need a bottle with milk? Alright, cool. Ooh. And one. Basketball not my thing. So yeah, y'all, I'm catching a vibe right now. Washing a few little dishes. You know what I'm saying? Y'all comment down below. How y'all feeling about y'all 2023 right now? How y'all feeling so far? You know what I'm saying? I'm getting right with you. There's some slight common things. You know? I'm outside in the AMG. I'm talking to, I'm vlogging right now. I'm doing, daily routine for my channel and shit. For my channel and stuff. Quick little vibe. Y'all, look at my coffee cup. It say I'm fine. Like, it could mean two things. I'm fine, as in, like, I'm raw, like, I'm pressure, like, I'm fine, like, I'm him, like, I'm sick, like, I'm retarded for real, like, yeah, all of the above type shit, you know what I'm saying? Or, I'm fine, like, I'm having a good day, like, I'm okay. Like, today's a good day, I'm okay, I'm not, I'm not down, but I am down, but I'm fine, Coffee would just, bring your spirit up sometimes, Who likes coffee? You like coffee? Comment down below if you love coffee. I love coffee. I love all types of coffee. What's your favorite coffee? Put me on the coffee right now. Like, put me on the type of coffee that I should, be like, I should try new. Because I go to Starbucks, but I don't really go to Starbucks like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I mostly just be like, I don't know. Well, Lena really got me on Dunkin' and stuff. Oh, you know this coffee place that is really good? Dutch Bros. No cap. Bro, I had Dutch Bros for the first time in Colorado. Bro. That shit like dope. In a cup, no cap. But so if you had Dutch Bros, bro, I think you should go to Dutch Bros and get the dragon. What that was that I had got from Dutch Bros? The dragon? The golden dragon. That's what it was called? How you don't remember? Which one you had? Oh, now she don't remember. Now she don't remember. She remember everything else. But now she don't remember. That's crazy. That's crazy. John, I'm washing these dishes, getting right with you. So I go to Muay Thai today, maybe so, sort of. Might bring y'all along with me, man. depending on how I feel. You know what I'm saying? Mama's had the little, what you call that? What she had today? We had, gave her milk, then I gave her oatmeal for a little bit. Yeah, she don't even know. I'm about to try. I'm gonna fake try to cry. I'm gonna see if I can cry. I'm gonna see if I can know how to make myself cry. I'm gonna try. It's my first time. If I don't do it, it's alright. But shout out to the people who can. Just give me some tips on how to make myself cry. I need to start doing that. Look in there. I'm gonna try to do like that. You know? I gotta lay more dishes down. This ain't much. I really do gotta knock these dishes out before I do it, because I don't want blood to get on them and stain anything. I'm outside in the AMG, right outside in Lena G. I'm outside of Lena G. Crypto, you know me. I'm outside in Lena G. Crypto, you already know. I ain't started taking singing classes, bro. I really want to know how to sing, bro. If I know how to sing, bro, it's game over. Game over for everybody. Like, no cap. Like, game over. Like, if I learn how to sing, it's up. It's up. Let me learn how to sing. I'm outside with the AMG. Outside with the guilty. So, y'all, I got rice. I'm about to put it in a garbage disposal and just be like, they got so much stuff in this. I'm gonna call them first. Yo, Lena.
What happened?
I just tried to like get all this stuff out for the garbage disposal, but we've been clogging it up with so much stuff. I just took out a lot of things. Yeah, I just took out lemon. I can't hear you. Yeah, I just took out a couple things out there. I took out a lemon. They got rice. Looks like it's clogged in there too. You said what? Yeah, I guess it was from that tilapia we had cooked. I'm trying to see though. I'm outside in a AMG. Woo, right outside. TT. 2 turned up, girl, you know me. I'm outside in a AMG. I'm outside in an AMG. 2 turned up. Do you know me? Me go. Oh man, R.I.P. the tech off, man. That's crazy. Yo, Lena, come here for a sec. I'm trying to like show you. You might have to call. No, for real, come here. Like, I'm just taking this stuff out and the garbage disposal don't even work.
Huh?
I just flipped the switch on the garbage disposal and none of that stuff came out. I'm putting out so much, like, rice and stuff. We need to look. Like, no, I'm trying to see if I can get it on the cloth. But I got it off right now, though, but it's just like, it ain't working right now.
Be careful.
I am. I'm just saying.
Stuff like that.
I know, me neither.
Glasses.
Oh, you got the goggles on. You got the goggles on. Look at this though. Come see.
Yeah,
No, I need you to come see.
Something like that.
Oh, what the hell is this? A nipple?
A nipple?
Look, that's what I'm saying.
I don't want to.
I got so much stuff in here. I got rice and shit, bro. Come on now, lay it off.
I'm gonna know when I wash the dishes, so I'll try to play.
I know you do, but I'm just saying, like, we got so much stuff in here now. Come on now. I'm not the only one. Struggle I overcome. I killed that little for my dog and now he owe me one. Say you love me, yeah. Say you love me, yeah. Say you love me, yeah. No, I'm not the only one. Get him, guys. I was chilling and I overheard a conversation. One of them, yeah. They used to go to school with him. Now he keep a tool with him. Orange juice, bro, sample, give me the coke. I had told her the other day, I had told her, look, I said, bend low, stand up on your toe, knock your knee, yeah.
Oh my
I said, breathe
God.
through your nose. I said, stroke it, slow-mo, yeah, stroke. I be putting my hand behind her back and I be diving. Every time I be diving, she be like, man, there's so much in here, bro. She gonna think so. Lane, I can't, man, it's too, Lane, I ain't gonna lie, this too much in this damn zinc, bro. You have to call on people.
Yeah, then I'll call me.
Right. I'm so sorry. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank. No, it's a prank. Oh. Stop. I'm sorry. It was a prank. It's not. It's fake blood. Look. I try to get you back. I'm sorry. I'm trying to go crazy. Look, it's fake blood.
That's not funny though. That's not funny. That's too much.
Dang.
That's too much.
I'm sorry. I ain't even gonna cry like that.
No.
I'm sorry. It's fake blood.
That's not funny.
Yo, it's just a prank. I'm so sorry. No, you really whoa.
It's not funny. I don't play with blood, bro. You know how I am. I do not like blood. My stomach hurts right now.
I'm so sorry.
You're taking it like overdue.
I'm so sorry.
No.
Why do you got, bro, that looks real.
Ew.
I just.
See, I'm having anxiety.
I'm sorry. Team King at least.
No.
Team King at least.
That's not funny.
Listen, y'all, make sure you. Oh, look, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry that's not on wood. You know, that will never ever happen because I don't want that to happen. That was like a bad pain. Did I do that? Did it seem like I was really like hurt?
I didn't know what the fuck happened.
You just saw
I don't
blood.
like blood.
Wow.
Oh, is it gonna stain or stop?
Oh man, I gotta get that, fix that, I gotta fix that. No, you gotta get like bleach. Damn. Oh.
Does it stain? I need to put it on this, bro.
Man, listen, y'all. Make sure y'all like the video and subscribe to the channel. Press the notification bell. Team King, no other team. Man, y'all know what's going on. My team King is going crazy, bro. Alright, no. Y'all know what's going on, man. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell. 200K us, please me on the way. Let's get it, man. Share this video. Let's get this video viral. Let's go.